Matindi po ang bakbakang nangyari mga kababayan sa budget deliberation ng OVP doon sa Kongreso. At palaban po si VP Inday Sara mga kababayan. Kaliwat kanan niyang nasampal itong si Franz Castro at pati itong si Kimbo Loslos mga kababayan. Si Stella Kimbo na gusto pang papalitan ni VP Sara dahil hindi marunong mag-preside ng hearing. Hindi po nagpatinag si VP Inday mga kababayan dito sa mga tanong ng mga makakaliwang grupo na hindi natunawan sa confidential fund. At hindi na po yan umubra dito kay VP Sara mga kababayan. At etong mga buhayang mga kongresista ito ay napahiya. Panoorin po natin ha.
I would like to forgo the opportunity to defend the budget.
Ang gusto po ni VP Inday mga kababayan hindi na niya sagutin etong mga kongresista mga kababayan dahil ang mga tanong lang puro kontrobersiya. Ang gusto niya mga kababayan, pagbotohan nyo na lang. I will not answer your questions. Kung ayaw niyong ibigay sa akin ang budget, di wag. Dahil alam niyang sisiraan na siya mga kababayan.
Question and answer format. I will leave it up to the House to decide on the budget submitted.
Madam Vice President, we have 17 members listed for interpellation and answer.
17 ang nakapila mga kababayan para gisahin si Sara.
Madam
Ang sabi ni Sara, hindi na ako sasagot sa question and answer. Pagbotohan niyo na
Chair,
lang.
my answer for every question will be, I will forgo.
Ang forgo pa mga kababayan is let go. Hindi na niya hindi niya pagbibigyan.
The opportunity to defend the budget
Hindi na niya didipinsahan.
of the Office of the Vice President through a question and answer. And I will leave it to the House to decide on the budget submitted.
Go, Sara,
Magsasayang
go.
tayo ng oras dito, paulit-ulit yung sagot.
That is
diba?
acceptable to us.
Sige, acceptable to you ha.
Karapatan din po ng bawat Pilipino na marinig po nila ang katanungan po ng 17 po na nakalista sa ngayon. All due respect,
I will not
Madam Chair.
repeat my question every time, my answer every time there is a question. May I seek permission that every time there is a question, that is my answer.
Madam Chair, I will call you and you can do as you please, Madam Chair.
May I be given the opportunity to explain why I will not and I will forgo the opportunity to defend the budget in a question and answer in the committee. And
Ang forgo po mga kababayan is ayaw ni Sara ang sagutin. Kapag mayroong question and answer.
leave it to the House of Representatives to decide on the budget submitted.
Madam Chair, point of order.
Yes.
Madam-
May I just say that this is not part of the presentation? This is an explanation of my answer.
No, but there is a point of order which we will have to first decide upon. Pasensya na po. So there's
Madam Chair, siguro first observation, yung on the budget for the 2024, yung Vice President na nagsabi, Madam Chair, na slow and low
Eto na.
utilization. So nakita naman natin doon sa presentation. So yung utilization ay napakababa. Pero syempre comment ko lang, mas mabilis siya sa confidential funds.
Mas mabilis sa confidential
Madam
man.
Chair.
Eto na mga kababayan, nagsimula na si Castrong tumira.
Since you allowed her a snide comment, you will allow me a snide comment as well.
Good.
So my question is,
Madam-
can you
yes.
confirm?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Diba?
Okay.
Yes, Madam Chair.
So,
may I before
Stop. See?
may I
Stop talking.
Before-
Si Castro ang ginanyan niya mga
proceed,
kababayan.
may I remind both our guests and our resource
You should have reminded
persons
her
to
when she said the
refrain
line, diba? I called your attention, Madam Chair. You did not recognize me. So, ngayon, sasabihin ko na, if you allowed her that, you allowed me a snide comment as well.
I did not, I don't recall
Patas.
hearing a
Dapat
snide
patas.
comment, Madam Vice President. Ang snide comment, that's a matter of judgment. So please proceed with
Secretariat,
your...
Madam Chair,
Bakit kasi si Kimbo ang nandyan, no? Di
I would like
marunong.
the
With your-
Secretariat to repeat the first 3 lines of the comments.
point of order, Madam Chair. Point of order, Madam Chair, kasi parang
So let's please proceed with the answer.
point of order,
Madam
Madam Chair, kasi parang siya yung nagpe-preside
Yes, that's right.
Kasi inuutusan
Madam
mo
Vice
yung secretariat natin sa Committee on Appropriation.
Yes.
Alam mo,
Some
ano,
order,
Go, Sarah,
yes,
go.
yes.
Okay, thank you,
Madam
Madam
Vice
Chair.
President, please proceed with the response. There's a question. Please proceed with the response.
Madam Chair,
Madam
I do not understand. Bakit a person convicted of child abuse is still sitting in a seat
Point of
in the
order,
House of
Madam Chair. Yung sinasabi natin na dinadivert ang usapan sa ating budget hearing. Kung nagawa po niya yan sa Senado, Madam Chair, dapat hindi natin yan pahinto
O si Akla, mga kababayan na si Raul Manuel
dito sa camera.
Ometan.
You allowed her a snide comment and then you will not allow me.
Please
see?
wait
A
to be
snide
recognized.
comment.
Excuse me, our members and our guests.
I warned you.
Please
I warned
wait.
you.
Don't go into this rabbit hole.
Please wait to
Rabbit hole.
be acknowledged before you speak.
What rules are we using for this budget hearing?
We have our rules
Yes, ma'am.
adopted by the Committee on Appropriations.
Right, okay. We searched for that rule. So, we only found the general rules. So, we have a copy of
Labas yung
the
kopya.
rules for the budget hearings.
Well, as far as I'm concerned, mas importante ang rules para sa amin. Kayo po, ang kailangan nyo lang marinig is yung acknowledgement for you to begin to speak.
Eto
Madam Chair.
Eto si si Kimbo no. Kamukha ni Tore no, para kapatid ni Tore nga, mukha din si Diwata.
Meant for you to begin to speak.
Madam Chair, I still request for the rules of
Bigay
the
mga
budget
rules.
hearings.
Oh, para isampan sa inyo sa kay Sara.
Okay,
Mr. President.
gusto mo sagutin ko, ma'am.
Yes, madam.
This is a hearing of the budget of 2025.
Correct.
Nasaan dito ang confidential funds?
Go, go.
Yung tanong niya,
Madam
confidential
Chair.
funds.
Oh, hindi natunawan
Nasaan
sa
dito?
confidential fund.
Honorable
Madam
friends,
At ang pinasubmit ninyo sa amin is the budget proposal of 2025. Where in the budget proposal of 2025 is the item confidential funds.
Wala. Recycled.
Sa in aid of legislation nga ninyo, nakalagay nga doon sa rules ninyo, diba? The discussion should be germane to the topic. The topic is the 2025
Abogado.
budget proposal. Now tell me,
Madam
Where
Vice President, the Honorable Franz
Confidential
Castro has already provided a sufficient explanation for why she asked the question. So please proceed with your answer.
Madam Chair,
It's a very
why are we
simple
discussing
question.
the budget of 2023 and 2024?
Hindi matunawan sa confidential
Yes, you
fund.
may proceed.
I request
ang mga kababayan, makakaliwa, mga
that the chairperson of the Finance
Lefties.
Committee preside over this hearing.
Madam
alis dyan, Kimbo,
Vice
alis dyan.
President, with due respect, you are not allowed to do that.
Gusto na ipasibak ni Sara, mga kababayan. Palitan na.
Madam
ng presiding
Vice
officer.
President, you are not allowed to introduce any motion. You are a research person this
Not-
hearing, Madam President.
I did
Vice
not move,
President.
ma'am. I requested.
Requested.
I requested your research person.
Sampal yun kay Kimbo.
I requested
So
that the
your request
chairperson
is
of the
denied,
committee.
Madam Vice President. Just please answer the question.
Dahil natatandaan nyo, mga kababayan, ito yung mga kababayan kasabwat ni Franz Castro dati ha. Nung patingala-tingala pa, para dang kunwari nabuking si Sara. Sila ang nag-set up kay Sara, mga kababayan. Kaya ganyan na lang ang galit ito, mga kababayan ni Sara dito sa kapatid ni Diwata. Si
Issue
Kimbo.
on confidential funds falls squarely within our discussion of your 2025 budget.
Narinig mo yung sinabi niya, ma'am?
Narinig ko yung sinabi mo.
Narinig mo yung nakinig ka sa kanya kanina?
Absolutely.
Walang rules
Bobo yan
dito.
Wala
Please
rules.
proceed and answer the question. It's a very simple question.
Diba?
Please explain
Babaeng Diwata.
the specific spending on those items that she enumerated, Madam Vice President.
You cannot allow a member of the House to just claim that it is illegal.
Correct.
That is a notice of disallowance. That is a procedure inside the Commission on Audit. Hindi sa upuan niya.
Akala mo kung sino kasing mga nag-audit itong mga ungas at mga kababayan. Na ang COA nga, wala nakitang anomalya dyan.
Honorable friends,
Okay. Madam Chair, the subject of this hearing is the OVP 2025 budget proposal. We do not have an item of confidential funds in the OVP budget proposal.
Madam Vice
Do you want to
President.
comment?
Si Diwata, wala nang
Madam Vice President.
I did not call you, ma'am. It was Representative Arroyo who called you.
The chair would like to remind both the resource persons and the members to please wait to be acknowledged before you speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Iyak nga si Diwata,
So,
mga kababayan.
yes. To respond.
Hindi pwede yung ganyan na yung tactics na ganyan na parang ano no? Parang sorry for the pusit.
Pusit.
Na kapag nasusukol na ang
Pusit,
pusit
Sara.
ay nagaano ng maitim na tinta. So ayaw natin ng ganun, Madam Chair.
Ang babaw ng ang mga reasons itong si Castro. Pusit.
Kasi yung atin namang pinag-uusapan dito ay budget. No? So wag naman mag-ugaling pusit ang
Pusit.
office of the Vice President.
Pusit.
Madam Chair.
Hindi na po tayo matatapos.
Yan ang sinabi ko sa iyo kanina. Ayaw mo maniwala sa akin eh.
I told
Aabot
you
talaga
so.
tayo ng bukas dito. Diba, Madam Chair?
Is this an inquiry regarding...
He said,
Yes, and
Yes,
please,
ma'am.
I remind also our
Yes, ma'am.
resource persons to please act in a respectful manner. Pasensya na po,
Respectful.
hindi po kasama sa
Pagsabihan mo yung mga ungas na yan na obviously naninira kay
poder ninyo
Sara.
ang pagpa-fire ng presiding officer ng hearing na to. So yes, you need to
so
proceed
if
po.
you allow members of the House of Representatives lines like what you just said, like pusit,
Pusit.
bakit mo ako kinocrucify
Don't
for saying
crucify
a
me.
fact that somebody is convicted of child abuse sitting
Correct.
The chair.
Fact yan fact.
pusit
Oh.
and then I cannot fire there.
Sa kanila mga kababayan, intriga ka.
Siding
Bibi Sara,
chair.
ang
So,
kanyang
bakit?
Tapon,
Yes, we
Bakit napaka one-sided nito?
No,
ha?
one-sided.
Dahil ba madami kayo dyan sa kabila at
Oo.
nag-iisa ako dito?
In relation to the point of order, because in the beginning, it was settled that the issue would be the 2025 budget. And in all our hearings, to what I recall, when we want to question something about performance, we question the 2024 budget.
Oh, see? Tapos ang hinalungkat ng mga angas na yun mga kababayan, 2022, 2023 na issue. Paulit-ulit, wala nang
Not
katapusan.
the 2023 budget.
Oh.
What is being questioned now is the
Makinig kayo kay
2023
Gloria.
budget, which was discussed very extensively last year. And that is the reason why the House
Kaya ngayon, continue pa rin, sabi ni Sara hindi tayo matatapos dito. Kaya umalis ka dyan, Kimbo, kung gusto mong matapos
removed the
tayo.
confidential funds. So that issue has already been, to my mind, for purposes of the budget hearing, laid to rest. So that's my observation, Madam Chair.
Good. Anong masasabi niyo dito mga kababayan na talagang nakipagbardagula na si BP Sara dito sa mga hudas na mga buhaya? Post your comments below.